If you use weighted grades in your class, you can set up your Blackboard Grade Center to do weighted grades too. To do so, scroll down to the control panel and click Grade Center, and then Full Grade Center. We're going to hover over Create Calculated Column and choose Weighted Column. Give it a name, and you can choose to add a description and change the display if you'd like. Now, to do the weighted column, we're going to select and give a weighted percentage for each column. So you can choose individual columns, say if you have one assignment you want to give a weighted percentage to, or you can choose categories. A lot of your Blackboard assignments and quizzes and things will be in their own category. So you can select, say, things like Turnitin assignment. You can select quiz. You can select discussion. So we have a few things to give weights to. So first, in our category of quizzes, we want to give this 25% of our overall grade. So no matter how many columns or points we had of quizzes, it's going to assign that to be 25% of the overall grade. So you can choose to have this weighted equally or proportionally, which means each one of your columns, if it were equally, each column would be given the same amount of points towards the final percentage. If it was proportionally, if you had some quizzes that were worth more than others, that those percentages would be weighed accordingly. You can also choose to drop the highest or lowest grade, or to use only the lowest or highest value to calculate, but these are optional. Same with discussion. Down here it's going to tell us what our total weight is. We want to make sure it adds up to 100%. Once we get 100%, we want to scroll down and choose Submit. Our weighted total column will be shown at the end of the gradebook. Once you start entering grades into the columns, you will find your weighted total column adjust itself accordingly. Continue to see more Blackboard tips at our YouTube site, which you'll find at youtube.com/tiltfresnostate. Thanks and have a good break.